It's easy to print web pages, documents, and graphics with the Android print service from Seiko Instruments. In this video, you can see an Android device in use with the B30 mobile printer from Seiko Instruments. Simply go to the Google Play Store, search for SII Print Service for Android, and download the app. After closing the Google Play Store, the app can be found in the menu or on your desktop. To connect the printer, go to the settings on your host device. Then go to Connections and choose Bluetooth. Here you can search for your Bluetooth printer model and pair the printer by activating the Bluetooth mode. The SII Android print service supports our POS printer model RPF10 and our complete mobile printer series. If you want to connect additional printer models, you have to follow the same procedure. Once the pairing with the chosen printer model has been confirmed, you can go to your internet browser, open the page and content you want to print. At the right top of the screen, you will find the advanced options. Select Share and select Print. For the first connection and depending on the content you want to print, it may take up to 15 seconds to see the print preview. At the next print shop, this time will be reduced, as we will demonstrate in a moment. By tapping on the toolbar, you can set optional settings such as the number of copies, the paper size, the portrait mode, and the page range. To print, just tap on the printer icon. In case the print needs to be confirmed, press OK. After a few seconds, the print will start. To print again, select Share, select Print, and the time for the print preview is much faster. Again, choose your optional settings and trigger the print by pressing the printer icon. You can print any web page, as well as documents like Word, Notepad, PDFs, text files, and also pictures.